Tired of starting a Loom recording only to have pop-ups wreck your video? Learn how to clear them and capture a clean screen in under 4 minutes. First, we'll open the recording screen, clear every pop-up that blocks it, then restart recording, so you end with your screen and face in the frame. Go ahead and click on Record a Video from the left sidebar to get started. Clicking Start Recording Now won't record yet. Close all pop-up windows first. Click on the X to close those pop-up windows. Take your time. There's no need to rush through this. Once everything's closed, click Start Recording again. Now your screen is recording. And on the left sidebar, you'll see your face. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.